Okay, so now we're going to do our cleanup, reset to 0 from this. I'll take you along with some of you things, but we're leaving this stationary, so some things you're not going to see. When I do finish my cleanup, when I count my reset to 0 is when I stage everything to dry. So we'll do that now. And again, I'll take the let me see if we can get this in here. Here we go, just starting to reset to 0. And we're going to use this to do some recording with. Okay, so we're going to take this stuff, and we got our sun visor right here. When we go like that, it's easy. I can just take the lid off real quick, and we'll just keep it like that. It makes it easily movable for a few of them. So I gotta go along for the ride because I can't hold with both hands and film. So we're gonna go for the ride right here. Boom. And we set it up right there. And the reason we set that up right there is because we got the fan right here. So do a little extra drying. This stuff right here doesn't really need any extra drying, and none of it really needs testing and assembly except for this. So not one needs a little extra drying, so I'll put this over here with that. And blam. And the rest of this is pretty much ready to go. We can just put it in our tote, ready to list it. When we get off the table, we can set up everything to get ready to shoot pictures. So, these does not usually stay pretty good. It's not any issues. Oh, we got these. We got to put these with our guys over here. I have a few of those. I put them in a rag. And then we don't need to get rid of this. Like you see, I have lids. Just put it in there because we're going to be doing some more cleaning later. Like that. Got water, didn't get that dirty, so it's fine for the next round. And then put our tools. When the tools start fresh, we start in the gray. When the tools been used, we put them in the green. That tool isn't green now. Oh, sorry, I wasn't even looking, showing the thing. New. After it's done, we wash and dry them, getting ready to go.